Hi everyone, welcome back. I thought I'd do a quick little unboxing of the Heller Peugeot 403. This is the kit that I'm going to do for the small scale group build. And so I just thought I'd start off February, or at least the group build with this video, just unboxing it, show you, hey, see, it's still sealed. And this is what I'm going for. It is February 2nd. Let's see here. Maybe. There we go. There we go. All right. Get that stuff out of the way. It's the first time I'm opening up one of these Heller kits. So this is the first time I'm seeing one. That's so tiny. Look at that. Got a nice body on it. Not a whole lot of flash, a little bit up front here. Not bad. So I am thinking about doing this as Columbo's car from his TV show. So if I do that, I have to remove the top. I'll have to fill in this door because his car was only a 2-door car instead of 4 like this one. So it'll take a little filling, I guess, into the seams, smooth that out so you can only see the 2 doors. I'll end up having to remove the roof here, this, same thing on this side as well, removing all of that, and then try to come up with something that'll work for a convertible because his car was convertible. So we'll have to see how that works. Let's see what else we got here. There's the front end. Parts actually look pretty nice so far. Let's see what else we got here. Decals. Okay. Probably won't use the decals. And I have to come up with something. I'll have to figure out how to clip the front windshield so that I can get it in here. Maybe I'll do the, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Obviously, not a whole lot of parts. Curbside, no engine. I don't know. Maybe we'll just do it as a normal car. We'll see. Doing the whole modifying thing maybe a little bit more than my meager modeling skills. Let's see here what we got. Construction wise, yeah. Instructions don't seem to be too bad, pretty easy. Is the kit completely done? Yeah. This should go pretty well, I think. I'll just show you the inside the box. There's all sort of, it looks like painting instructions or something on the inside of the box. Yeah, not too bad. So here we go. This is it. This is my first video for the small scale group build.